Peking duck. Oh, here we are. Duck a la orange.
What are you having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are. I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
Well, my mama has been talking about someone else. She told me to wear the cap.
Ah ha ha! Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. You know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're an ever-shutting door. You can dig all the flowers from freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, my phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So don't let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the lunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the paddles, down in the mud, seems to go back to the shadows. Then maybe there's time go slide in the slides and watch me find marshmallows. I'll go and play a dragonfly, watch water flow in rays. Just say that cats are dangerous, but clearly not the pennies.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty.
I got it! Game time! Hide and go seek!
Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. Play your food, you can't eat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never had one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Salivating. Don't throw the ball too hard. Excuse me.
He's coming for